Hi, the most common question when students inquire at ASAP Institute about the courses, and they get to know that ASAP Institute also provides the certificate after completion of the course. We conduct exam. That exam has similar pattern like Goethe Institute exam. Then exam will be conducted according to these modules, then reading, writing, listening, speaking, and then you will get certificate from ASAP Institute, and that will be considered as completion of the course. Okay. Now the next question comes, is this certificate, ASAP certificate, ASAP Institute certificate, is this valid in Germany? Many of our students, they have got admission in German universities with this certificate. They have submitted the same certificate. Many of the students, they have got job also. They started working and it's been now 5 years, 10 years they are working there, and they had submitted this ASAP certificate. But officially we do not say that this certificate is valid in Germany, because in most of the cases universities or companies, they demand Goethe certificate only. But there are many companies or many universities, they have accepted the application or they have processed the application with ASAP Institute certificate. So if I say no, this is not valid, then that is also not true. And if I say this is valid, that is also not true. So what is the best solution to know this? Ask your agent, your visa agent, or wherever. If you are applying to some company, you can tell them that you are learning German at ASAP Institute. When they will Google, they will get to know everything. And also you can send them the sample copy of our certificate, and yeah, you can ask them if this certificate is valid. Mostly if you speak the language, then this certificate is valid. And then please make sure that you are getting the valid certificate from ASAP Institute, cause the company or the university, they will mail us the same certificate. Okay, and they will confirm if this is valid certificate, if we have provided certificate or not. We have noticed many students, they have created fake certificate of ASAP Institute. We got the mail, and when we cross check that with our data, we found that that was not our student. And then we send that mail, we replied to that mail that this is not the valid certificate, we did not provide any certificate to this student, okay, of this name. And then we have no idea what happened to him. But fake documents means you're banned, you will not be able to apply again ever in Germany. So yeah, that was not the main question. Actually, main question was, is this certificate valid or not? Many students, they have got their MS admissions with this certificate, they got the job also, they had no problem. But I always suggest to confirm, and then only rely on this certificate only. But getting the Goethe certificate is always the best idea. If you don't get seat, if you don't want to spend money for that, and if someone has already approved, like fine, this certificate is okay, SAP certificate is okay, then that's fine. Thousands of students have already submitted this certificate in the embassy or to the universities, so you shouldn't have any problem. But confirm before you plan only with this certificate. So please confirm that with the agent or with the company or university, and then only proceed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. There are many other interesting videos. You can learn German grammar, vocab, listening practice, speaking activities and all, and this will be quite helpful then. See you in our next video with some new questions. Till then, cheers.